Thinking of starting a blog to share your favourite recipes, tips for moving house, or simply your eventful life with a cat? But like me, does the thought of building your own website fill you with stress and anxiety? Well, it doesn't need to. I've discovered you can easily create beautifully crafted websites at Wix.com. With tons of functionality, great templates and integration tools, building a blog with Wix is a breeze. But best leave any distractions outside the door. Click the link in the description to create your own blog, business or community website today. And check out my Wix blog at mylifewith.simonscat.com.